bring back to me.
A well-groomed beard is the hallmark of a signature look. That is why I always make sure that my beard looks on point. And for the same, I follow a beard care routine, which I'm gonna share with you all. Firstly, I wash my beard with this beard wash by the Man Company. It cleanses the beard from the roots, nourishes it, and makes it look fresh. It also promotes the thick, shiny, and strong beard growth, giving it a sharp look. Then I mix this beard oil, again from the Man Company, with a geranium essential oil from the Khadi Essentials in the ratio of 1:20, and then I apply it on my beard. Doing this strengthens the beard hair follicles and strands. It also removes the dryness and makes the beard manageable. It prevents the formation of beard rough too. So this was about my beard care routine. I hope you find it useful. I'll see you guys next time around.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.